In the last 5 episodes, we travelled through some grueling roads to end up at one of India's most beautiful hill stations. Today, we pause for a flavourful pit stop to savour India's finest beans. Yeah, beans. Namaste dosto. I'm about to show you a dish that is famous here in the Jammu region. But it's not just famous here, it's famous across North India. This is a staple for North India. So this is actually a small town called Asar, and this region is known for this dish and for what goes into this dish. So chalo, enough intrigue, let's go and check it out. Namaste ji. Egg plate Rajma Chawal or egg plate Rajma Roti. So this is what we have. This is Rajma Chawal, and this region of Jammu, the Doda region, and specifically the Bhadrava region, they are famous for their Rajma production. They create these smaller but sweeter Rajmas, and they sell for up to 700 rupees a kg, that much. So what we have here, we have rice, we have red kidney beans, we have a ton of ghee. You would have seen them dolloping the ghee on top, the clarified butter that adds a ton of flavor. We have onion, and then we have something else very special here. This is the combo, you know, rice, rajma, and anar dhana. This is elaichis, no, not elaichi. This is, oh yeah, English pomegranate seeds. And apparently, this is the best place to have it in the entire country, We're here to try. Let's find out. Okay. Very good. Extremely creamy. That's because they put so much ghee in it. This might be the best $1 that I've ever spent on food in India. Can you beat such a healthy meal with just $1? Let me know in the comments. And now let's try it the way locals eat it with this chutney. Oh my God. Bro, that's mind-blowing. My mouth's blown actually. So the anar dhana chutney is tangy and spicy both at the same time, and it goes perfectly with this creamy rajma. And guys, you can make this at home. It is not hard. Like, you just gotta dump all the ingredients into the pressure cooker and just pressure cook it. That's it. It'll come out pretty close to this, pretty close. So the thing that makes this dish amazing is the lady running the shop, she's probably got some kind of family recipe, and they're adding a few different spices. And she's adding a few different spices here and there, that's all. Otherwise it tastes like normal rajma. It's just, you know, slightly better. And what makes it amazing is definitely the big dollop of clarified butter that they're putting on this afterwards. And you can add this to so many different dishes. So yeah, after you make your rajma, put a ton of ghee on it, like a good tablespoon of ghee on top as well. Man, I'm loving my time here in Jammu. Say hello, Arun.
Hi.
This is my bro from Jammu.
I'm focusing on the food actually.
He's pigging in.
Yeah.
All right, I'm gonna finish this. This pomegranate chutney is just explosive, mind-blowing. And one other thing, so the water in this jug, it's come straight from the mountains, and you can hear it running in the background. They're just filling the water up from the mountain springs. It's just mind-blowing here in Jammu. The tagline for Jammu should be pure Jammu. That's what it is. It's a pure place. Okay, yeah. This is the best Rajma Chawal in India. You got to come here. I'll link to it in the description. I'm loving my time here in Jammu. Jai Hind. Stick around, because in the final episode we end on a high in a thrilling hill station.